NeoTech Process, where next-gen factories, robotics, and sci-fi engineering come to life. Gravity has held humanity captive for 200,000 years, forcing us to fight with fire and roaring engines. But what if flight wasn't a battle against the Earth? What if it was a graceful dance?
Imagine standing on a sliver of matter 30,000 feet up, with no cockpit and no noise.
You lean forward, and the horizon rushes to meet you. You are not falling.
This is not magic. It is the pinnacle of exo-atmospheric engineering, born from the cosmos itself. To create this, we travel to the orbital foundry Alpha 9, where starlight is forged into solid matter. The birth of a skyboard begins in the vacuum chamber, a colossal glass sphere suspended in the outer ring. It starts as a volatile mixture of ionized noble gases harvested from the upper atmosphere of gas giants. Inside the chamber, giant magnetic emitters hum to life, creating a containment field in the center. Suspended in zero gravity, the gas clumps together, swirling in a hypnotic, iridescent cloud. This is the raw nebula foam, a substance with the density of smoke but the potential strength of diamond. Robotic arms, moving with surgical precision, lower a hyperfine lattice structure into the swirling gas. Magnetic fields pulse, forcing the nebula foam to cling to the lattice, filling every microscopic void.
It is a marriage of gas and solid, creating a shape that is sleek, elongated, and aggressive. But right now, the board is soft. It needs to be hardened by the cosmic cure.
The board travels to the photon kiln, where we use the raw, unfiltered spectrum of a star. Massive blast shields slide open, exposing the delicate foam board to the vacuum of space. For exactly 12 seconds, the lens focuses a beam of cosmic ultraviolet radiation onto the board.
Frozen in that moment are swirls of purple, gold, and black, a snapshot of a nebula solidified in your hands. With the chassis complete, the board moves to the assembly bay for the integration of motive systems. Technicians embed the gravimetric weave into the underside, generating a localized anti-graviton field.
The final piece is the NeuroLink grip pad, a layer of biometric smart skin for the rider's feet.
This connects wirelessly to your equilibrium, making the board an extension of your own body.
The finished board is placed in a high-velocity wind tunnel to simulate the chaos of re-entry. Blasted with freezing winds and extreme pressure, the surface must remain impervious.
Finally, the engine hums, a harmonic vibration like a tuning fork struck against crystal.
We are seeing the birth of vertical cities, with docking bays where commuters step directly into the sky.
The roads of the future will not be asphalt. They will be invisible highways flowing above the clouds. The NebulaSurf takes the technology of the stars and places it directly under your feet. For the first time in history, we are not just flying. We belong to the sky. If you enjoy the video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more.